Welcome to this short introduction to n-grams. In our video on natural language processing, we explained how machines can not only make sense of words, but also make sense of words in their context. N-grams are one way to help machines understand a word in its context, to get a better understanding of the meaning of a word. For example, we need to book our ticket soon, versus we need to read this book soon. The former book is used as a verb and is therefore about the action of planning a trip somewhere. The latter book is used as a noun and is therefore about a literal book or object. How do I know this? How can we tell the difference between the verb book and the noun book? We take into account the context of the sentence, and we do this innately as we humans have been attuned to language cues since we were born. Machines, on the other hand, have to learn these cues by looking at the surrounding context of a target word. Think of it like a context window of the before word and after word. This is what n-grams look at. They look at what came before the target word book and what came after to then determine if the word is used as a noun or a verb or in another context. This book, a book, your book, my book, his book, her book are all examples of bigrams where the before word indicates book is used as a noun. The n in n-grams is just the number of words you want to look at. Bigrams are two pairs of words that occur together, looking at the before word and after word, sliding over the words. For example, read this book soon is split up into read this book, book soon. We could train a machine to learn that when these words read this and this book occur together in pairs, the text is mostly discussing a literal book. You can also extend the context window to make your n-grams a trigram, looking at 3 pairs of words at a time. Read this book soon. But bear in mind, the longer your context window, the harder it is to pick up on words that frequently appear throughout the text when you're looking at fairly unique sets of words. I recommend taking the Goldilocks approach to n-grams. Not too long, not too short, just right. And by just right, I mean looking at 2 pairs of words as the before word and after word is probably all the context you need to capture the meaning of the text. N-grams are also useful when trying to capture words used in a negative context and vice versa. For example, the staff were not friendly, terrible really. Not friendly and friendly terrible is enough context to know that the word friendly is used in a negative context. In isolation, the word friendly is positive, but when looking at the before and after word, not and terrible cancel out the positive meaning, reversing it to have a negative meaning. Another example is capturing sarcasm, such as that's funny, not. When funny, not occur together, it also cancels out funny and reverses it to be the exact opposite in meaning. By looking at n-grams or pairs of words, we capture the broader context of words to then train machines to learn these language cues and gain a better understanding of the real meaning of the text. N-grams are a fairly simple yet effective approach to capture the context and meaning of words in natural language processing. And that sums up n-grams for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, give us a like, or you can check out our other videos at Data Science Dojo tutorials.